don't need to go here. Go to Google search. You are on the top browser now. Go to search.
Okay. And this
And
is
no. Google search is there in the middle. Mm, there. Just type the latest JRE. JRE download. That is there. Na? Second, JRE download. It will show you all the version.
okay. Which one?
No, go to any of the. Otherwise, go to that download free Java software is there. Na? Go there. So which version we have to first look at? This is not showing any version name, so don't. Okay, download the Java your desktop computer version 8 update. No, don't take that. Go back. Go back. Here version is not here. Go to that first one, Oracle one. Yes, it will show all the versions. Scroll down. Okay, so the latest version that we can see here is JRE 8U221. So 8U means 1.8. Okay.
Okay.
And there will be different RPM and all. So we have to go for Windows. Your Windows
64.
is your
Yes.
Windows is 64-bit, right?
Yeah.
So you can take the Windows download one. Yes, take the
Okay.
Windows. Accept on the top there is a button called accept.
It is
Checkbox. There are two checkboxes. Accept the license agreement and do not decline the uh, no, that's what I'm saying. You have to first accept. Java runtime machine is written. Java runtime environment 221. No,
okay.
see
Okay.
this.
I found that. Okay.
Yeah, just now download the appropriate one. Now let me explain why Java is required. Java is required because
Okay. It
Java
is
is a
asking for Oracle account sign in.
so not ask, but anyway. Uh, okay, we don't want to create account here. There will be other files also. Otherwise, I don't want to waste time in this. Go back. There is a one more CNET is there. Let me see. CNET also may redirect to us to here, but we can see. Let me also see. Previously, I downloaded from here, but it did not ask me to create an account. Mm, that download Java software here also see in CNET there is one.
In the second one.
Uh, uh, no, that's Oracle one. No? So again, it will take you to the same place. There
Okay.
is something CNET download.cnet.com. See,
Download
the,
Eclipse. Download Opico.
no, not Eclipse. See, 2.1 installing JR version 1.8 or above. There just below that, download Java runtime environment 8.0 built 181 something is there. Na? File name. Do that. Huh, you can download from here. It's downloading now. I was about to explain you why JRE is required.
Okay.
JRE is required because, as you know, that this is a platform independent software, and we have the different versions for Windows as well as for Linux and Mac OS. Everything, every type, we have a different version of the Java program is available for us. So what it
Okay.
will do, the MID server is also a Java program that already I told you on the other day.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So to run that to make that program, what is provided by ServiceNow run, we need a platform. So the Windows operating system or Linux operating system or the Mac OS, whichever the PC available in the customer environment, it can be a PC or it can be a virtual
Okay.
machine available on that other client environment. that should have the Java platform so that this Java runtime will support the program that is going to run on that particular machine. That's the reason
Okay.
we are loading this one.
Okay.
So this is without this that program won't run.
Okay. Stand.
Okay. Uh,
Yep.
I think it's downloaded. So once
Yep.
downloaded, please install in your personal machine.
Okay. Sure.
And also remember one thing, we need to do this only when your machine do not have a updated Java version. Okay. If it is
Okay.
already there, no need to install it. So before you install, go to your programs folder, go to programs, C drive, C drive.
Yeah.
There will be a program called, there will be a folder
Program files.
programs. Yes, go inside the program files. There will be a folder called Java.
Yep.
Go inside, see, your is a older version, right?
Okay.
First you have need to validate which version currently you have. If
Okay.
this is already containing a updated version, then no need to do that. But as it does not contain,
So we will just going to
install that new
upload.
file that we have uploaded. Just not
Okay.
yeah, just
Okay.
install that one. It
Sure.
will
Sure.
just
I'm
take a
just.
1 or 2. Don't remove the current one, okay? Let it be there.
Okay.
Is it running? Let me know once it
Yeah.
is done.
I think it is done right now. Status is installing Java.
Okay, let it go. In the meantime, let us prepare the MID server file, how to follow the best practices to install it. Okay, you
Okay.
have that downloaded folder for the MID server as well.
Actually, I have in my another laptop. I was just doing at my office.
Okay,
So that one I
so
don't have.
now then in that case you have to download once again, but it will take quite a bit of
Th-
time.
Yeah, so if it is possible, you can share me the steps so that I can retaliate after this meeting.
Steps definitely I can say, but there are few tricks that I wanted to give you the hints on. So in the meantime, while you are installing this Java, you could, if you would have told me that earlier, then we would have put that to in the download by now. But anyway, we can do
Yep.
that again. So you can put it to download now. I'm going to save you the steps, no doubt.
Okay.
Even I will demonstrate that also to you. But
Okay, I am
you can
getting, if it is possible, you can see it is saying that keeping out of date Java version installed on a system may be presented as a security risk. So it is something like that. I need to uninstall it after the uses.
not required, not
Okay.
required. Java do not have any security risk. So
Okay.
no, there is no problem, and even there is no problem if at all you are using your company's laptop, because Java
Okay.
is a worldwide software, and there is no problem for it.
Okay, I understand.
That's a standard yeah, that we get for whenever you install something.
It has been complete.
Hmm.
Yep. You have
Completed.
installed Java. Yep, it is completed.
Okay, good. Now go to the you have download the Java.
Yes. So we are gonna right now.
Yes. How did you download that file? You remember, right?
Yes, I remember that one.
Okay, tell me how you did that last time?
I see. I go to the mid servers. I go to the guided mid server. There is a module. So simply I open that one. I found that it is my 64-bit Windows.
Hmm.
So I
Hmm.
simply go there and downloaded that in my particular folder, and it has been downloaded.
Okay, fine. Just follow the same steps.
Okay.
It will. I think we are looking at the old screen that you had presented. It has not been refreshed.
Okay. So did I need to go to my service now, or you
Yes,
are just
yes. You have to go to ServiceNow. Okay, let me present in showcase to you. I think
okay?
I'm also not
Okay.
logged into. You logged into the
Okay.
developer?
Okay.
Uh,
Sure.
are you logged into the developer or not yet?
Right now, I just gone through. It is previous one, but I just found that there is some. Mostly they have written over that one, so I was just going over that one.
Maybe some new features they would have
Yeah,
added.
they have added. Yes.
So it is going to take some time for me as well to back it up.
Okay.
In the meantime, I don't want to waste time, so let me walk you through that steps that we are going to follow for a maid server. Maybe
Okay.
I will have some maid servers which already would have downloaded, but it may not work because versions may different. But I can
Okay.
showcase to you that how it will work. Downloads, other things will be there. Maid server, I
I think in
don't
the
see.
top it was there mid server 4, something like that.
No, that was a PPT. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, it's there. It's there, it's there. Yeah, you can see here. So what I'm going to do is, when you download, it will something like this. It will come.
Yes.
Just you
Yeah.
have to download it, and once it is coming, then what you have to do is you have to take it to any of your means hard drive folders. Let's say I'm going to take it to here, and I'm going to paste it here inside a new folder. Always remember, you have to post
Okay.
paste it inside a new
New
folder.
folder.
Okay, okay, and give this folder name the client name. Are you working in a domain separated environment, or are you
Yes.
working with a domain
Right now in
separated?
domains. Yes.
Okay. So when it's a domain separated environment, then you will have multiple company names, right?
Yes.
So maybe this one is going to do for a simple company. Let's say that I'm going to do it for my company. My company name is M Corp. So what I'm going to do here is, let me keep it as M Corp MID Server. Okay. So this is
Hmm.
a name. The reason why I'm giving this, because it will give me an idea that I'm doing it for this particular company. Okay.
Okay.
And everything, whatever is happening, I can notice that this is happening through this particular mid server.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you give 1, 2, 3, 4, you cannot know that which mid server is making some changes to your system. It will be difficult to identify in that case. That's the
Okay.
reason. Always we keep the uniqueness, or you can say the company name specified in the folder. Even we need to have some prerequisite. I'm going to tell you that as well just now. That also
Okay.
is going to be remain the same. Now, if I come back to my system and look at, I don't know whether this is the Madrid version or some other version. I think this is New York version, so I need to log out. I have to log into some Madrid version now. Uh, okay, uh, okay. Just let me showcase the steps. Otherwise, you will know what I'm trying to
Okay.
do. It's already activated. So let me log in. Uh, Okay, now let me see if I get some what password I will give. Okay, I got my password. So this step number one, what I did here is I copied the file and pasted it inside a folder, and I given the
Okay.
name of the folder, the company name for whom I am going to install it. Now the
Okay.
next step here is I need to make a extract the file. So extract, just let me extract it here. So
Okay.
extract the files to the same folder. Okay.
Yep.
Now I got a folder name. Now what I have to do is I have to come inside this folder. You will find lot of different files that will be there inside this folder.
Okay.
Before I proceed, I need to have some prerequisites that has to be noted down. So those prerequisites are, let me keep it in a notepad.
Okay.
Number one is the credentials.
Okay.
Now, what is credentials? Credentials are required because we are going to, you remember that diagram that I have shown, the where three mid servers was there? One
Yes,
was
yes.
in the AWS, one was in the Linux environment, second one was there in the Windows
Windows
environment.
environment. Yes.
So what has to be done here is all these three environments should be able to connect with our service now.
Okay.
To make that happen, we need to have some whenever that will try to connect with the service now definitely will ask for the credentials
Yep.
because service now won't allow the unauthorized people to access its environment because it's
Okay.
critical for the security. That's the reason definitely it will ask for the credentials. That's the
Okay.
reason we have to hard code these credentials when we are installing a mid server. To
Okay.
hard code those credentials, we have to create that credential first in the service now.
Okay.
I'm going to demonstrate how are we going to create a credential in ServiceNow. Credential means a user record.
Okay.
Always remember, do not use any user specific credential when it comes to the mid server. Always create a separate user for that particular mid server.
Okay.
Suppose you have 9 clients. For each client, create a different user record
Okay.
with that company name. The reason
Okay.
why I'm saying so, because it is going to showcase that this particular record has done has created a incident or it created a alert or it created a event. From that, you can make it that this is happening for this particular client.
Okay.
It will be easy for you to troubleshoot. That's the reason always it's a best practice or the standard practice that we follow. We create different mid servers, then for each mid server, we use a different username.
Okay.
Always.
Suppose I have a question. Suppose
Hmm.
as my environment is right now in the LDAP environment, that is a LDAP, it is integrated right now with LDAP, and after that I have suggested to do an integration. So in that situation, my whole user's profile is coming from the Active Directory. So I need
Hmm.
to create in the Active Directory right now, or I will just simply create the local user ID. I mean to user record just in the service now for this
I will answer this.
situation.
I will answer this question by showing this diagram, which already I have shown you, but again I am showing to you so for your better clarity. Let me open this diagram. It will answer your question.
Okay.
Okay. If you look at this diagram, LDAP integration diagram, where the mid server is there, you can
Yes.
see the mid server available inside the customer premises. Okay.
Okay.
If I take your question, then I have this mid server already hosted in their environment.
Okay.
Let me take another example. Along with this LDAP, we are also going to do the discovery.
Okay.
In that case, we don't need to create a new mid server again
Yeah.
because the maid server is already present inside their network or inside beyond their firewall, and it is possible to communicate with my service now.
Okay.
And maybe apart from this discovery and this LDAP, I have some one more integration that I want to do. Then also I can use the same maid server.
Okay.
But again, always follow a rule that do not over pressure a single mid server. If you
Okay.
think that, okay, let me give an example again here. Discovery is always scheduled. LDAP
Yeah.
is also always scheduled. Okay.
Okay.
So in this case, we can use a single made server because these are schedules and these schedules can be done at separate period of time.
Timing. Yes.
But there can be a situation we are going for a integration with a event management tool, which is again present in the same environment. When it comes to event management tool, we cannot schedule anything. It has to be spontaneous as well as soon as there is something happening in that area, then that has to be communicated to the ServiceNow.
Yeah.
In that case, we will be going for a new MID server. The reason
Okay.
is this, otherwise this MID server performance may be hit.
Okay.
Okay, got the
Yep.
idea what I'm trying to say here?
Yes. Yes.
Depends what type of
Yeah.
architecture you have and what type of the business you are doing. Based upon that, we have to take. That's why I'm means teaching this one along with the integration, because all the things, whether it's a LDAP or a discovery or it's going to be a third-party monitoring tool integration, all these cases the mid server is very crucial, and we have to know that how to manage this mid server. Until unless we
Okay.
do not know that, we cannot have a integration properly, because
Okay.
this is very critical, because this is the software which is going to keep us connected with the service now and the
Service now.
client environment. This is the
Okay.
bridge between these two, so bridge should not be broken at any cost.
At a cost. Yep.
Okay, I think I
Yeah.
answered your question, or
Yes.
anything that you need to hear.
No, no, I understand.
Okay, fine. So I'm coming back to here. Now I was talking about the credential.
Yep.
How will I create a credential and what are the roles required for that credential? Let me go to the user record and create a user record now, which is going to communicate, which is going to be the medium of communication between these two. So this is a user form, and I'm going to the new button, hit on that new button, which is going to showcase me the form. That's the user form. This is a familiar form for us. What going to do is I'm going to create a name. So the name here is going to be the company name, or mid underscore company name. Company is MCorp. Okay. Now,
Okay.
first name I can give MCorp mid. Last name can be mid. Oh, okay. So company is a mandatory field. I can select any company here because I don't have MCorp company here. So I can just select
Okay.
anything here. Okay. Now, this is the standard approach that we are following to create the user
Okay.
record. Let me save
Okay.
this record. So I'm staying in the same form and saving the record. So this is just we created a user record, but this is not
Okay.
sufficient for us to move ahead and do configuration for the mid server. What we have to do next is we need to assign the appropriate roles for this user, and the appropriate role here is mid server. If I come to here roles, I go to the collection, I type here in the collection search mid, then I will find a role called mid server. This is
Okay.
the role that we have to assign to this particular user. What is this role, mid server? To talk about this, this role will enable or make this user capable of communicating with the mid server which has been installed in the client premises. And
Okay.
also you can see these are the sub or the parent, sorry, contain roles, or you can say partner roles for this particular mid server. You will get the soap. Already you can see the soap methods are automatically appearing here. These are the partner roles for it.
Okay.
So it's basically works on the SOAP method.
Okay.
But there is one more thing that we should be aware of it. Mm, There is no limitation in how many licenses of the not licenses, how many mid server users or the role you that you are giving to multiple users, because there is no license cost for this particular role.
Okay.
So that's a good thing, because
Yeah.
most of the time we are hesitant to create multiple users with multiple roles because there is a cost associated to it due to the
Yes.
license cost. But as the mid server role do not have a cost, so we have the flexibility to create multiple credentials for it. Okay. Even
Okay.
one more thing, always remember, do not do not go for only one mid server. Always go for a primary and second one is secondary. So that in some situations when you have to work on one mid server, or you can say the flip, always there is should be a flip option available, primary and secondary. That's why we create. If some due to some reason the primary is going down, or you are not able to use that due to some maintenance activity, then automatically the second one should be coming up and the business should not be interrupted. That's the
O-
reason always we should keep the primary and secondary.
Okay.
Now my credentials are ready. But one thing I have not kept it here, which have to always do, whenever I'm creating, I should keep this information handy with me. First one is the user ID of the mid server. Let me keep it in a notepad, which I already opened some time back. So
Yeah.
I came here to the credentials again, then user ID. This is the user ID, then password. Password, let me give as 123. I have not given this one, so let me change it to 123. The user ID and password, two things are done. Now coming to the third one, which is the URL for the service. And this is the URL that I have. So I'm going to copy the URL as well. So all the three information are there now handy with me.
Okay.
Now let me go to the setup of the mid server. To go to the setup of the mid server, I need to go to that folder which I had earlier, and already I have extracted it. I need to look at there will be different files. You can see installer files. There is one for
Yeah.
installer.sh and one is for installer. So I need to go to this installer because this is a batch file which will be the exe file. What
Okay.
I need to do is I need to run it as an administrator. And let me go. Let me check my battery. I think it's not charging.
Oh no, I think it is charging. I can see.
Yeah, just now it started charging. Previously it was
Okay.
not charging.
Okay.
Uh, okay. Now what I need to do is I need to install it. So once it was okay, did it run? Don't remember whether it's running or not. Let me do it once again. So we need to wait for a minute. It will come up.
Okay. Okay.
It will give the window. It generally takes few minutes.
Okay.
I hope your mid server download is still in progress.
Yeah.
How many percent is done?
Oh, actually, I haven't just started. Give me a moment.
Okay.
I'm just doing that now. Okay.
It should not take this much time. That means something is not proper. Or it's running somewhere which is not visible to me. No, it's not running. Or it's no, it's not running. So Then why it's not running? Okay, it's not running because my GRE is a older one. But still it should show a message. Sumit, are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Okay. Mm, so you just now put to the installation.
That's I'm doing.
Excuse me. Which version it did not show me. Where it's not showing the version. Latest version 82. Let it download. I'll close this. I think anyway it will take it will take some time for you to install, and my Java also is downloading. How much time it will take? It's not showing to me. Download the file. It's it up. You downloaded from File Hippo, right?
I've downloaded from that one.
Mm, JRE latest. It's showing the version name at that time. No, it's not showing the version name.
Okay.
JRE. I will check that one. Your mid server, how much time it's showing?
It is showing time. Actually, there is
Uh,
issue with my credentials, so I'm just looking for that one. I've also just,
Credentials will take just 2 minutes time. That won't
yeah,
take more time.
just, yeah, that's I'm done right now.
Keep it in a notepad as I did. Okay, it's going to be used.
Okay.
Are you in office or at home?
Right now I'm in home. Actually, my shift is going to start at 1:30.
Okay, you're in Delhi, right?
Yeah, I'm Delhi,
NCR.
NCR zone.
Mm-hmm. Noida should be.
Yeah.
Oh, so what are the basic things? Means what are different things that you work in your current role? What are different modules that you are working?
Almost ITSM module I just mainly work right now. That is like the all
Mm-hmm.
the incident change problem, knowledge service catalog, uh, SR requests, designing the workflows. These are the mainly tasks.
And those are all means a developer job basically.
Yeah, developer job.
You have any certifications in your hand?
Yes, right now I have the admin and I implementation ITSM, and after that, right now after completing this, I'm just looking for all the certification in the ITOM. That is the discovery
Um,
events moving.
that is, yeah, just a information. Maybe I will share across that one. Next Sunday, I am hosting a webinar. Actually, this was something
Okay,
in one of the WhatsApp group. Many people requested. That's why I said I'm going to do that. That's going to
okay,
be a free seminar for everyone
okay,
for the item module.
okay,
So
great.
I will send you the link.
Yeah, please share me the.
Because that is something one WhatsApp group where I'm one of the moderators. So they were some people were asking for that, so I said okay, I will do it. In that group, we have around 700 people.
Okay, so is that particular group is I mean to say on the Telegram or someone so that I can also want
There
to
are there
join?
are no, there are many such groups. I will send you the link. You can join that one because I'm also that groups is already filled. So I'm going to start a new group now. So I will be
Okay,
sharing the link. Even if you know someone, then you can also forward that group link to anyone. They can join.
okay, sure, sure.
This conference will now be recorded.
The
This
time I will
conference will
showcase
now
to
be
you.
recorded.
Okay,
I can showcase to you.
okay, please. Okay, presenter.
Yep, I'm stopping presenting,
Yep, it is.
extracting now.
Yep.
Hmm. Go to the installer, right
Installer.
click, run as administrator.
Uh,
It will show you a window as soon as you do this. Not showing any message. It should show a message.
No.
Still running. It's going
Yeah.
to come.
Let me again do that. Batch file, run as
Mm.
administrator, Microsoft Windows. Yep, it's just not coming.
It takes time, but it will come.
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
for me as well, I faced the similar kind of problem. It
Yep,
did not appear. But I assume that is due to the Java problem, but you don't have that problem. Already we sorted that problem.
yep. Okay, we can wait for. Let's see. Let me again run as administrator.
active window, go to okay, didn't that's fine. Okay, let's do one thing. Uh,
Okay.
this is something I'm going to send you these steps. I'm just repeating this one here in my system.
Okay.
I'm going to
Okay.
send you these steps. You can have a look at it. If that doesn't work, then tomorrow again we are going to check this one.
Sure, sure,
Uh,
sure.
only one thing, even I'm checking why it's not running. With this, it's definitely should run. If any due to any reason it doesn't work here, then we will do it in our cloud lab.
Okay.